Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, dear children, I welcome you all in your computer class. Today, we will start with your syllabus. Before starting the syllabus, this is your computer book, dear children. Smart Byte, a course in computer science. Book 2 for grade 2. Before we begin, children, do you know that what is the picture I am showing you right now? So yes, what it is? It is a computer, or it is a computer system. It has many parts like mouse, monitor, CPU, printer, speaker, and keyboard. So these all makes computer system. Now, dear children, you have already studied in your previous class what we can do with the computer or how computer helps us in our day-to-day life. So then, how computer helps us? Computer helps you in education. Do you know, children, that computer can also do the calculation work, and as a human we also do the calculation, like you solve your math sums. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Similarly, computer can also give you the same result. Now here, let's find out who is better, computer or us, or computer or human. So here is a quick answer. We have computer. Do you know, children, a computer does not make any mistake while doing calculations when there are many numbers, whereas as a humans we can make mistakes while doing calculations, while solving some sums. Here we have comparison between computer and man. Do you know, children, that a computer works very fast? A man also works, but it works slower than computer. A computer doesn't make any mistake. A man can make mistake when the things are more or when the numbers are more. A computer doesn't get tired as it is a machine. A man gets tired after some time. Also, dear children, if I'll teach you for a long time, so you will also feel tired. You will also need some energy in between. Next, a computer doesn't have feeling as it is a machine. A man has a feeling. Sometimes you don't like to study. Sometimes you want that the teacher should play with you, they should entertain you, they should say you any poem, any story to make you feel good. A computer needs electricity to work as it is an electronic device. A man doesn't need electricity to work. We need food and water to live. So in this way, dear children, I hope you have understood the difference between a machine and a man. A machine runs with the help of electricity. It doesn't have emotions. They do not get tired. Whereas a man needs food and water. They get tired after some time. They have feelings. Now, dear children, can you see there are three different friends? He is Joy, she is Lily, and she is Prill. So now that Joy, can you see he has a big device in his hand? The same way Lily has a smaller device in her hand comparative to Joy, and Prill has a very small device like mobile in her hand. They all three are busy in their work. So they all three devices are interconnected. Do you know, children, what we call them? They comes in the category of types of computer. Yes, dear children, today we will study the different types of computer. Do you know there are 5 types of computer? We have 5 different types of computers. There are 5 types of computer: supercomputer, desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet PC, and smartphone. Do you know, children, supercomputers are very big in size. We cannot have them in the house. They found in the big places. They are also very powerful. They work very fast. They store huge amount of information. Supercomputers are used in large companies. Supercomputers are also very costly. Next is desktop computer. They are small in size as we can keep them on the desk and we can use them. That is why it is called as desktop computer. They can be used in home, offices, in your school also. You will find desktop computers in computer lab. In shops we find desktop computers where the shopkeeper is giving us a bill of the purchased item. In schools also your teacher used to teach you on desktop computer your programs. Next is laptop computer. Laptop computers are small in size. They are light weighted so that it can be carried anywhere. They are also portable so that we can carry them anywhere. We can keep them in a bag and we can carry it from one place to the another place. Do you know, children, laptop computer works on batteries as well as on main power supply. Laptop computer also has all the features like desktop computer only. Laptop computer also has inbuilt web camera and speakers. Speakers are also inbuilt in them so that you can enjoy music. Also it has web camera. I can show you here. Look. Next is tablet PC. They are very small in size. They are small compared to laptop also. Tablet PCs are also called tablet computer. They have digital camera inbuilt in them. Also they have microphone and touch screen. Likewise, mobile you operate with the help of touch or with the help of finger. Similarly, dear children, you may operate tablet PC with the help of a touchpad or with the help of your fingerprint, finger lock and fingers. Tablet PC work on it by touching screen with your fingers. Next is smartphone. We all have a smartphone, dear children. Some of you might be attending the class also with the help of smartphone. A smartphone is what, dear children? So, a smartphone is a mobile that provide computer facilities also computer. It also has built-in camera, touch screen, you can capture pictures, you can enjoy music, you can attend your classes, you can submit your homework using it. So I hope, dear children, you have understood an introduction to computer. In that we have studied types of computer. Also we have learned comparison between the difference between computer and the human being. So dear children, you have to read the lesson at home carefully and you may ask me if you have any doubt. Read the lesson carefully. Also try to find out the things which computer can do but as a human we can't. Also dear children, make the list in your surrounding that which type of computers you are having in your family or you are finding with your family members, and make a list of it in the rough notebook. Till that time, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.